Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a beautiful 1971 Datsun 240z. This is a custom build. Everything's been touched on this car. We speak to the owner to get the background on this build. We even get under the car. And then we start her up, the beautiful LS3. Let's get started.
Only thing that hasn't been customized is the roof. We got the wing on the back, which is one of a kind. Then the quarters, both sides, have been bowed out so you don't have to screw on plastic fenders.
Oh, okay. Everything's steel.
All four corners.
What about the suspension?
Arizona Z Car, it's all custom stuff for racing. They have what is called a track pack, which is front and rear suspension, and it's a Q45 rear end. It's got bigger axles, bigger gears. These things are notorious for breaking axles on stock. Release most of the body. I told you a story. I had to park that for my house.